Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Specialista with us in the shop. And pretty much I came in because when you put the portafilter in and you run espresso or you try to put coffee in the machine, it will leak around the edges of your portafilter. So it'll leak around the sides, so pretty much water is escaping through the top, going down. So this could be one of two things. One is the worser option is where you put too much coffee in your portafilter and you try to jam it in there, and the frame, since it's made out of plastic, breaks, and fixing that is really expensive and hard to do. The second one is there's a little plate that is connected to your shower screen, and sometimes the gasket around there just gets old or the actual plate cracks. And so just replacing that, opening the lid, taking it apart, is way easier of a job to do. And sometimes it happens, and this is one of those times we did replace the plate, replace the gasket that goes on the plate. We also, while we were in there, seen that there was a leaking from the valve that's on top of the plate, so we replaced it with a new valve, new gaskets, and yeah, so this is ready to brew. We're gonna make a double shot of espresso, just so we can get it pressurized and make sure that it is brewing right. So now we're gonna grind, tamp. I usually like to do it 2-3 times, just to make sure everything gets down. Take it off. As you can see, you got your nice bit of coffee. Put that on here. And we are going to test all the other functions of the machine. We're just starting with the coffee. So this is a double espresso. We're going to see pre-infusion. Gives it a few seconds, and then it revs up. And it's going to push right through into the optimal zone. And there you go, get your shot. As you can see, not leaking from any part of the brew pad, because we did replace that plate and that gasket. And as you can see, that's about 2 ounces, which is your typical double shot. Perfect. Now we're going to test the hot water function. We're just going to move this under here and hit hot water. Nice steady stream coming out. We're going to let it run for a little bit, just to make sure. Looking good. And now we're going to test the steam function by twisting this. Now it's going to rev up. There is a separate section just to heat the steamer. So it's going to rev up a little bit. You're going to hear it. Now it's going to start. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.